All right, on this episode on how not to clean your kitchen appliances, we have this Maytag dishwasher that just needs a little cleaning. And we got our expert, Brian, here, showing us how to clean these appliances. What do you got there, Brian?
Just a little cleansing.
Okay, cleansing tablet. Okay. So where do we go from here, Brian?
Run.
Run. Okay. That's okay. What you cleaning there, Brian?
Hey, let's do it again.
It's not all the way clean yet.
Not yet.
I can see the smoke action working there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can see it's making a difference. You just need a double treatment, huh?
I think so.
Okay. Just...
No. How wet is it? It's attacking me.
Yeah.
All
I'll
right.
take that out of there and one more cleansing here. This should do the trick.
Run.
How do we do, Ryan?
Clean.
Oh, that looks much better.
You didn't need that. Or that.
Look how clean it is.
Oh, it is.
All right, so if you ever need your appliances cleaned, come on down. We'll hook you up.